This video demonstrates the accuracy and precision of the PowerLift Pro. Measurements that are close to the known value are said to be accurate, whereas measurements that are close to each other are said to be precise. The PowerLift Pro delivers unparalleled accuracy and precision with movements as small as 1/1000th of an inch. To put that in perspective, a $1 bill is just over 4 1/1000ths of an inch thick, and the average human hair is about the same thickness. PowerLift Pro can accurately move 1/4 of that amount. A digital measuring device has been affixed to the router table to display the actual movement of the router bit and to show how that movement compares to what's shown on the PowerLift Pro app. To illustrate the precision movement that's possible with the PowerLift Pro, the speed is reduced to 1% and the lift is operated in the up direction. The lift is moving in increments of 1 1/1000th of an inch. The readout on both devices is exactly the same. The preset movements section has buttons to move the lift in a predetermined amount. Pressing the 1/4 inch button moves the lift precisely to 0.25 inches. In the memory position section, you can store the position of the lift and return to that position later. Pushing the arrow button for a particular memory position advances the lift to that exact position. This function is great for repeatable setups. Check out the accuracy, moving the lift a 1/100th of an inch at a time. The lift stays in perfect sync with the digital measuring device, showing how accurate the PowerLift Pro is. This level of precision will elevate your woodworking to the next level. Never before has it been so easy and precise to fine-tune your table-mounted router. Precise, accurate, revolutionary. The PowerLift Pro, changing the way you work on the router table. For more videos on the PowerLift Pro or other great woodworking products, visit MLCSwoodworking.com.